Hi everyone, in this video, you'll learn what are HTML headings and how they are used. HTML heading tags are used to display headings, titles, and subtitles in web pages. Headings are defined in these formats. H1 is the main heading tag and it is used for the most important heading in the web page. Then we have H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6 for further level headings. H6 is used for the least important heading in the web page, as you can see in this preview. Some notes. Headings are block elements, which means that they occupy a full line in the web page. Browsers automatically add some margin before and after a heading for better view. Headings are important for SEO because they define the structure of the web page. It is recommended to use only one H1 tag in an HTML document, that is, for the main page title only. Use heading tags only for headings and not for just making any text larger or bolder. This was all for HTML headings. Please check the video description for more information. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.